Welcome to Aspen Mesh, the fully hosted SaaS platform built on Istio. This quick tour will give you an idea of some of the functionality that you get with the Aspen Mesh dashboard. Upon logging in, we see the service graph, which provides an aggregate of all the service health, and an individual look at services, which shows MTLS status, health score, and communication status between services. We also have the option to toggle full mesh so we can see any orphan services, and we can toggle system services as well. If we want to know more, we can drill down into workload details. Workload details give us a little bit more fine-grained view into what's happening with our services. We can see that Reviews v2 is not looking very healthy, so we might want to go over to the Service Listing tab to get some more details on what the problem might be. Service Listing is sortable and also searchable. We'll look for a reviews service here. Here we get a look at latency, which shows latency distribution, and we can also look at response rate, which shows error rates and success rates. If we want to know more, Aspen Mesh offers hosted Jaeger, so we can go and look at our traces. Jaeger will give us a more fine-grained view into our traces. We can look at the graph, and we can also look at the header spans. Navigating back to Aspen Mesh, another feature we have is hosted Grafana, so if you prefer that view of your mesh, you can get it. Aspen Mesh Experiments is a way to test experimental services within your production cluster. When we log in to the experiments page, we'll see instructions near the bottom for running experiments. This is as simple as copying a het cookie and inserting it in our header. Once we've done that, we can route the percent of traffic we want to go to the experimental service. And then we can observe the results of that traffic of the experimental service compared to the baseline service. If we need more detail here, we can drill into Grafana or look at our ingress or mesh traces in Jaeger. The Health of Mesh tab shows Istio Vet, which is a feature that helps you vet the configuration of your mesh. Istio Vet will surface any configuration problems, and the Aspen dashboard will show you a suggested fix. The Health of Mesh tab will also show you probe source status and the status of the pods in your mesh or ones that have opted out. Lastly, Aspen Mesh Docs provides an easy to get started section that makes it very quick to get set up and plug your own application into Aspen Mesh if you're getting started. There's also a more traditional docs view, so you can easily navigate to anything you need to know. So that's it for the Aspen Mesh tour. Thanks for joining us, and we hope to see you in the mesh.